Welcome to our video. My name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection attorney in Alabama. And the question we'll answer in today's video is, what happens if I don't show up to my trial? This is in the context of a debt collection trial. Well, short answer is you lose. And maybe I should end the video there. That would be probably the shortest video I've ever done. But let me expand on that just a little bit. The trial is the time for both sides to show up. And the plaintiff, the debt collector who sued you, they have to prove their case. Well, if they don't show up, and they can show up through their lawyer or through somebody from the company, but if somebody for the plaintiff, the debt collector, doesn't show up, then they lose. If you don't show up, either you personally or you have a lawyer show up on your behalf, then you lose. Kind of like a football game, a basketball game, whatever. Somebody doesn't show up, what do we call that? They defaulted. And so typically what a judge will do if you don't show up is they'll enter a default judgment against you. And I've had people just be beside themselves. Just, this is outrageous, this is an injustice. I never got my day in court. Well, if your day in court was January the 15th and you don't show up, then you had your day in court. So very important if you're handling a case on your own. I mean, if you have a lawyer will take care of this for you. But if you're handling a case on your own, make sure you know when the trial is. And I had somebody call me one time and they said, I still don't have a trial. I said, well, when did you file your response to a lawsuit? Like, well, 3 years ago. Well, what's happened since then? Nothing. Like, well, maybe you need to call the court. It turned out there had been a judgment against them for 2 years. And their approach was, no, the court has to personally notify me, like certified mail, knock on my door, tell me. No, they just send you a trial notice in the mail, regular mail. So if you don't have a trial notice, call the court. Say, hey, I just wanted to make sure, when's my trial set? I don't want to miss it. And then make sure you show up on time for your trial, because it's so sad because so many consumers will answer the lawsuit, which most don't do at all, and they lose. But then there are some who answer the lawsuit and then they don't show up to their own trial and they lose. And so the really answering did no good for them. So answer the lawsuit and show up at the trial, or hire a lawyer to show up for you. Do something though. You don't want to miss that trial date because you'll lose. So we're more than happy to help you think through your options when you've been sued by a debt collector. Matter of fact, we have a number of videos, including one that's a very long video on your 5 options when you've been sued. We can send you a DVD, we can send you transcripts, all sorts of forms and checklists, and really to help you go, well, what's the best option for you? Not for anybody else, but for you. So if you'd like us to do that, you live in the state of Alabama, just call us 205-879-2447, or you can contact us through our website, alabamaconsumer.com. Appreciate you watching this video, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye.